Friends, in this lecture we are going to see the subplots adjustment. Nothing but in if you notice in yesterday's lecture, when we have run the multiple images in subplots, there you have seen the overlapping of images and text is not clear, right? So how to adjust those things we are going to see in this lecture. And after this we are going to see the conversion from one color model to another color models also. Yes, open command prompt and enter Jupyter space notebook. Yes, now I am opening our main thing, our notebook. And as I mentioned, we are going to work with few packages. So no need to run all the cells all the time. You can once run the package and you can use throughout our programs till you close the application. Yes, only this cell I am going to run. Our CV2 package, matplotlib package, we are going to use. That's it. Yes, it is successfully run. Yes, this is our subplotting, guys. Actually, yesterday which we performed. Yeah, there is an error because A again we need to read. Not only A, B, all we need to read once again. Yes, A is Z. Yes, you can see the overlapping, right? To adjust the thing, we are having a function called in matplotlib itself it is present plt.figure of inside parameter is figsize equals to we need to give some values in square brackets we need to give, let me say some 20 comma 5. Yes, now just let me run it. Yes, you can see now there is a slight difference, right? Now still if I want to increase, let me say 20 comma 20. Yes, you can see now it is somewhat more clear than previous one. This is how we are going to use plt.figure for adjusting the subplottings. I will also show in another format also. Okay, let me explain newly. Plt dot subplot of, let me say, two rows, two columns, and at first position. Plt dot subplot of 2 comma 2 comma 2 plt dot subplot of 2 comma 2 comma 3 plt dot subplot of 2 comma 2 comma position 4. Just run it. Yeah, here you can see, right? Let me give titles also. Plt dot title of, let me say, plot 1, plot 2, title of plot 3, and last one is plot 4. Yes, you can see here plot 3 and plot 4 are overlapped, right? Means it is mixed in the text of upper x-axis, right? To adjust, we are going to use plt.figure, and in that we are going to adjust the figure size, nothing but fig size we say. Let me say 50, comma, some 20, let me give it. Just run it. Yes, you can see the size also increased a lot. So we need to give accordingly so that the values should also be visible to us, right? Yes. Now you can see how it is varying for different sizes also. Yes, for 20 by 20 you got some square like structure, right? There we got like rectangles. This is how it is going to differ. Now let me say 20 comma 5. Yes, you can see how it is decreased. It means that the first parameter is, yeah, in figure size, the first value, nothing but this 20, is changing the length of this x-axis, if you observe. And the other thing is, nothing but for height variation, we are going to use it. Let me give it as 10 now. Yes, you can see somewhat distance is being increased. This is how we are going to manipulate the subplottings. Yeah, this is known as subplot adjustment. And in the next lecture, we are going to see the conversion of BGR to RGB. And in another lecture, we are going to see its vice versa also. Hope you all understood. If you are facing any issues, you can drop in the comment section. Thank you.